B. It can be anyone. It can be anyone. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be late for work. Don't be late for work. Being. It's being tough for me. It's being tough for me. I am sorry for being late. I am sorry for being late. Been. I have been working. I have been working. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. They have been busy. They have been busy. Am. I am a student. I am a student. Am I boring you? Am I boring you? Is. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Are. Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are they friends? Are they friends? Are you new here? Are you new here? Do. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Does he live here? Does he live here? Does he sing? Does he sing? Did. Did you invite him? Did you invite him? Did you go? Did you go? Have. I have a pen. I have a pen. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Has. Has he come yet? Has he come yet? He has played. He has played. Had. I had a car. I had a car. He had played. He had played. I can do this. I can do this. Could. He could not do that. He could not do that. May. May I come in? May I come in? May I help you? May I help you? Might. He might go. He might go. She might come. She might come. Must. You must come. You must come. Should. You should go. You should go. Was. I was a writer. I was a writer. Was the movie good? Was the movie good? Were. We were playing. We were playing. They were very tired. They were very tired. I will go. I will go. Will she come? Will she come? They would help him. They would help him. Would you like some cake? Would you like some cake? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.